But of late ni akoretwo agitwo Kameme muno. Ndiye kana mukoretwo mukiona. But ni aretwo Kameme muno. Ginya augage ati riu guku ni ndire mugani ona ndirabatara thondekerwo baji. Do you guys think what I'm thinking? Is there a possibility Mbote hakuwe kuheo wira Kameme? Na mimi nakwambia show ile Mbote kuheo, that show is going to be mad as crazy. Yeah. Inyo mugenda aigira show iriku Kameme. Ebu andikeni hapo inyo mugenda aigira show iriku. No mugenda, because it's either there are two things. Either arapochwo nigetha mundu umwe arutwo aigirio, kana aongererwo show ini imwe. So we urashigia nu ukurutwo Kameme nigetha Mbote NJOGU aigire.
Thiko ici ni ona ndiona ta ndi mugeni. Niona haruga muone ndirauga nduta Kameme. Toru mundu anagiuka ndoka ringi. Ona ni nguheo kandi ni heo kandi ngina ya wira. Aruga maharuga ngiona mukenjigu agakuria Kameme.
Hey, Holy J. Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J.
Holy J TV, are you holy?
But of late ni akoretwo agitwo Kameme muno. Ndiye kana mukoretwo mukiona. But ni aretwo Kameme muno. Aretwo niki? Nyinyi mwoyona guest anaitwa Kameme more than once. Na ni guest. Ginya augage ati riu guku ni ndire mugani ona ndirabatara thondekerwo baji. Last week, just the other day, akiheana shai ona mothe maku akiheana shai. Do you guys think what I'm thinking? Is there a possibility Mbote hakuwe kuheo wira Kameme? Sijui kama mnaona something like that. Huh? Is there a possibility Mbote hakuwe kuheo wira Kameme? Na mimi nakwambia show ile Mbote kuheo, that show is going to be mad as crazy. Yeah, definitely. Because Mbote ne could deliver. Mbote knows how to deliver like crazy. Todo uria ndrona agipochwo hau akionio maundu ma radio akirwo haha thimira ndukarie muno haha. That is a person who is being poached. Anaonyesha kuingia kwa radio daily. Inyo mugenda aigira show iriku Kameme? Ebu andikeni hapo inyo mugenda aigira show iriku? No mugenda, because it's either there are two things. Either arapochwo nigetha mundu umwe arutwo aigirio, kana aongererwo show ini imwe. So we urashigia nu ukurutwo Kameme nigetha Mbote NJOGU aigire, kana kuongererwo show ini iriku akorwo eta second co-host? Because those are the two possibilities. Master David fanya hivyo. Those are the two possibilities. Ni either hena mundu urenda kwirwo athece nja kana Mbote ni marona mundu uyu toga kumwandika season ino ni eguthire ingi, koguo kaba tumwandike eta second co-host. But Mbote can make a very good co-host. Hizo siku zenye amekuwa on radio amedeliver. Isipokuwa nile anahitaji tu final touches hivi mdogo. That guy is big. That guy akona influence. Huyo mtu anajulikana na that guy is funny. Tusidanganyane. That guy is funny and is natural. Na Mbote kana akiamurwa heo show ya uri akoroko host wa Evangelist Rusi wa Gojiri. No thina Mbote ndekuhota show ya rucini tondu no wake menya hangover. But ndangihota show ya rucini, no aheirwo ya mid morning. Ya rucini ni akuremwo. Tondu Mbote tuge Karatish kana to Guinness no ginya ndahithaga. Riu mwake muhe show ya rucini na no akiona bazu aroka kuutha kendari. Kenda akiriguo Mbote arainuka. Akenda niguo Mbote arainuka. But anyway, we hope for the best in everything. Haria hothe mekumwikira show yo nituri miruragira na tukamithikiriria na njira nene muno.